I want people to go to somebody else and be like, T-shirt Labs printed that. Go to them. They're the guys. I'm Aaron Penamacore, and I'm the owner and co-founder of the T-shirt Labs in Clearwater, Florida. I have a passion for art. There's so many people that are in this industry that customers are just numbers to them, you know what I mean? And I was that guy, I was that number. I struggled in the first place with my clothing brand of having it printed in other places, and it would be missed deadlines, colors weren't right, quality sucked, registration's out. Oh, we decided to do it ourselves.
My name is Gruskin, and I'm the co-founder of T-shirt Labs here in Clearwater, Florida. Everything from start to finish, from the time you call, the time you pick your shirts up to your reorder, we wanted to make the whole process just seamless and perfect. If you're trying to learn how to screen print, you've never done it before, and you don't have the best equipment, it's probably going to take you a lot longer. We're still learning every day, but we had the best equipment, and we were able to really pick up and really start printing shirts relatively fast, and we were successful really quick.
Our core values are still the same, is customer service, making sure that people get what they're expecting or more. As of like less than a month ago, we contacted ROQ. We bought another press. We bought our third press after 3 years, literally rocking around the clock, pun intended.
So I think at T-shirt Labs and I think at ROQ, I think it just allows us to focus on everything else in the business. And we know that that's the one thing that's always going to be perfect and run right. We've had days like, 18 hours we've printed, no issues. We printed 7 days a week, no issues. It's such peace of mind.
Besides having this fluorescent green that you just cannot ignore, the fact is that we got to see them in person. We got to see them running in person. So that was like, okay, yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going with them. That is the rule. We only print dope shit here. That's it.